$1.5 million. That is how much money the City of Yonkers says residents have been saving in 2 years through a program that repairs sewage and water lines.
News 12's Nikita Ramos joins us with the details.
Well, several months ago, a Yonkers homeowner here found out that a blockage in his sewer pipe would have cost him tens and thousands of dollars. But today, he's speaking out about a program that's saving him that money. Henry Ramirez was shocked when he realized the bill to fix his collapsed sewer pipe was about $18,000. But he was even more surprised to learn that the costs were covered by American Water Resources. It's a program in the city of Yonkers that was launched just 2 years ago to save residents from those sewer and water repair costs.
I jumped for joy. I was very happy because, coming out the pocket, especially, I'm on a fixed income. My wife also, we have our bills.
Ramirez is one of many Yonkers residents saving their pockets from a large repair bill. And today, the city of Yonkers is celebrating a milestone with its partnership with American Water Resources.
Our goal really is to make homeownership easy.
A partnership the city says has saved residents $1.5 million in just 2 years since its launch.
The more that we can get that word out, then the more Yonkers residents will take advantage of this and potentially, give us the ability to even lower the rates even further.
Now, those rates currently cost about $17 a month for unlimited service to ensure the coverage of potentially devastating repair costs. Now, the contract between the City of Yonkers and American Water Resources runs up until 2022. In Yonkers, Nikita Ramos, News 12.
And currently 1 in 3 eligible homeowners in Yonkers have signed up for protection from unexpected costs from service line repairs.